Hi, this is JK. In this video, we will see how we can install Rittal Rizone server. As you can see in this documentation, this is a data center infrastructure management software. As I know, there is two options to install the Rizone server. One, after installing the Windows server, but you have to check with the Rittal for the compatible Windows version. So after installing the server, you can install the server and GUI from the executable file which you receive from the Rittal. And the second option, usually you receive one hard disk with the shipment, and this hard disk is coming with the OVA template with the VMDK file, so you can deploy that. But in my case, I installed the VM which is coming with the shipment, but the Rizone version it's not compatible with my CMC, LCP, etc. So I have to upgrade the version. So I contact the Rittal and they give me another VM which we are going to install in my lab server for testing. And the VM is coming with all the pre-installed software. So let's see how we can upload the OVA template to the host and install the Rizone server. So this is my host. So go to virtual machine, create a virtual machine, deploy, click next, give a name, select the OVA file, open, click next, select the storage, next, keep it default, next, just click finish. As you can see, now it's importing the OVA file from the local disk. So it will take some time, so I will continue once it's done. So the OVA is uploaded. You can see it's completed successfully and it's powering on the VM. So this is the VM, we name it. Just click on the VM and you can see it's already booted. So let's open the Rizone server. The Rizone server administrator password is default. You can see the password. So this ended. Now you are able to see the Rizone software here. So let's open. It's coming with the 3.9220 the version. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.